the edge, trying to match the curve of the dark tan canopy piece. This is where the fun really begins. I've had this weird idea to build a set of thermal optics for a mech. I got this idea from the transformer called Lockdown and his external optics, which don't really make sense on a robot, but man, it looks so cool. I went with 3 optics because 2 looked like the mech was putting on some spectacles to read the Sunday paper. And that completes the cockpit, and all that's left is the weapons. I was so focused on the mech, I didn't really think about what it would be wielding. It's got hands and fingers, which means it can pick up different weapons, so it would be a waste to permanently weld some guns on like I normally do. I decided to equip it with a standard rifle the size of a motorcycle and a combat knife that could probably slice a car in half. The knife was easy, but the rifle took some experimentation. I decided it would be good to include some kind of magazine to help this more look like an actual gun. I used some headlight bricks and ingot pieces to create that, and using a 1x1 clip and bar piece, I was able to connect it to the rifle at an angle which looks really cool. I am so excited to assemble everything and see how this commando turned out. But a mech of this caliber needs a proper mock to display it, so I'm going to build a loading bay for those glamour shots. These 8x8 plates with a grate pattern are always a good option for any kind of gritty sci-fi bay. I only have 8 to use, so I added some tile around the edges of each one to create a large